Good morning, dear children. In previous video, you had learned conversion of money and how can you count rupees and paisa if they are with you in large amount. Children, beside that, you also had learned how can you get change of big note in small notes. Let us recap it before starting today's class. Children, suppose you have 30 rupees, 30 notes of rupees 5. Then how can you calculate this money? Children, for that, what you will do, you will multiply 30 by 5 and 3 multiplied by 5, 3 5s are 15 and there is 1 0, so it will come at the last of the number. So, you have 150 rupees in all. Okay, children. Now, let us take second example. Here, how many 10 rupee note will you get in change of 100 rupee note? Children, for that, what you will do? You will divide 100 by 5. 10 divided by 5, it comes to, and 1 0 is extra, that will go with 2 and it becomes 20. It means when you will get the change of 100 rupee note, you will get 20 notes of rupees 5. Children, hope you all have understood. Now, today in this class we will learn addition and subtraction of money so you can do small shopping by your own. Children, addition and subtraction of money is very simple. It is like simple addition and subtraction. I am going to explain you only 2 questions from this whole page and the rest questions you have to do by your own. Children, here you can see rupees and paisa are separated by dots. Okay, so first when you will start adding or subtracting money, you will start from the extreme right side. First you will add ones place, so 0 and 0 will come 0, 5 and 0 will be 5. Okay, then after that you will put dot because before 5 there is dot, so you will put dot, then 2 plus 3 will be 5 and 1 will be 2 and you will write rupees. So total will be 25 rupees 50 paisa. Hope you all have understood it. Rest 2 sums you do by own. Now just let us learn how can we do subtraction of money. Children, you will start from the extreme right side. Like simple subtraction, 0 and 0, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. Then put dot because before that dot is there. Then 5 minus 1, 4 and 2 minus 1, 1. So answer will be rupees 40. Next 2 sums you do by your own in your rough register. Now let us do small shopping and calculate money for the things that we purchased. Children, here you have to tell the amount when you will purchase one ball and one toy car. Here on this page you can see different items with their price. So here you are purchasing one ball, cost of one ball is rupees 7 and cost of one toy car is rupees 15. So 15 and 7 will be 22 rupees. Okay. Children, now if you purchase one notebook and two pencils. Here you can see one notebook cost is rupees 5 and two pencils. Here you can see one pencil cost is rupees 250. So the second pencil cost will also be rupees 250. This rupees will be added together. It will become 4 and 50 paisa becomes 100 paisa and 100 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. So this 1 rupee will be added in 4 and it will become 5. So 5 plus 5 it becomes 10. Children, hope you all have understood how you have to solve these sums. So do practice of these sums. Okay. Now let us see and do next exercise. Children, here you have 30 rupees note. Find out how much money will be left after buying the following item. Here you are buying one ball that's cost is rupees 7, one doll that's cost is rupees 8 and one toy giraffe that's cost is rupees 650. Okay, this much of amount you have spent in buying all three items, right? So when you will add this amount, 0, 0, 0 and 5 will be become 5 and then put dot 7 and 6, 13, 13 and 8, 21. So 21 rupees 50 paisa. You have done purchasing of rupees 21 and 50 paisa. Now children, you have rupees 30 and you have buy all the items in rupees 21 and 50 paisa. So what you will do? You will subtract to get the leftover amount. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 5, not possible. So this 0 will borrow from this number. You can see here 0 is present. So this 0 will first borrow from its neighbor and here it will become 2 and here it will come 1. So it becomes 10 now. Now it can easily give this 110 here and become 9. Okay, 10 minus 5, 5. Then put point or dot. Now 9 minus 1, 8 and 2 minus 2, 0. So after purchasing all three items, 8 rupees 50 paisa is left. Children, hope you all have understood how you have to solve all these sums. So do practice and solve the sums that I have given today. Thank you and have a good day.